dear friends, this is Ruby from Dongguan Package. As we all know, the shipping costs got so high this year, so with many customers asking for large box sizes, we suggest them to make the boxes foldable like this. So today I'm going to show you around in our factory to see how the boxes are made. As you can see, here is a very big automatically glue apply machine. And you can see the machine can smartly put the glue in the right position. And at this part, there are two side cards of the boxes. And the nozzle can socket into the machine and the box can be glued together. Okay, here is one of the main assembly line, and come here, let's see the details. As you could see, this is the art paper and the cardboard already assembled, and on this part we put some metal pieces and the magnets, and then we put the art paper to cover them, and the bottom side will be finished. Okay, as you could see, on this part we are applying glue on the four corners. And those four corners will be like on this part of the box. And then when we glue them together, the box will be finished like this. Okay, so after the foam is applied on the four corners, we need to make the outside cover and the inside part together. And we need to press them as how the worker is doing this. Yes, and then the box will be fully formed. Okay, now we'd like to show you how the foldable boxes save you shipping cost. As you could see in front of me, there are two cartons, and this is for packing the non-foldable boxes, and this is for packing the foldable boxes. And those two cartons are exactly the same size, but this can contain only 10 pieces. In this cartons, we contain about 40 pieces. So, as you can see, the foldable boxes is very space saving, and actually the quality is very nice. The magnetic force is super strong, and you can apply any kind of design you want. So, if you're interested in this kind of boxes, you can contact us at any time. Thank you for watching.